All right, let's talk about money. You see, for a long time in my career, I thought I should leave my money with those who knew what to do with it.
The banks.
But when my wife and I experienced serious financial hardship due to a business that didn't work out, we learned that the banks didn't necessarily have our best interest in mind. It was at this moment that I realized it was time to think outside the box and learn how to use my money in a way that worked for me and not the banks. So I ended up reading this book, and it literally changed my life. Anyway, back to my main point. Did you know there's a way you can beat the bank and create your own financing instead? Seriously, there's legitimate strategies that allow you to do some of the same things that banks do. Take this boat, for example. I actually bought this boat through a loan from myself. Let me explain. Say you have a mortgage on the house. As you pay down the mortgage, there's equity in the house. If you were to go to the bank, you could take out a loan against the equity. This is called a home equity line of credit, or HELOC. So far, so good, right? Now here's where you need to pay close attention. Let me shut this thing down for a sec. When you take out a loan on your home, does the value of your home actually go down? Let's say your home is worth $2 million. Is it still worth $2 million even though you've taken out a loan? Absolutely. In fact, picture this. It might even grow more in value as time goes by. So what if you could take a loan from an account and the value of that account remains the same and is in fact steadily growing over time, no matter how long it takes for you to pay it back or never pay it back? This is what we call bank on yourself. And this is how I bought this boat. And this hot tub. And even a second office. It's also how I continue to invest in my business and allow for cash flow to live an enjoyable life with my family. Now I know what you're thinking. That's exactly what I thought too. Hey Colleen, hey Jen.
Hey Steve.
Until I saw for myself how Bank on Yourself actually works, to the point that it changed my life in a way I could not have dreamed of. And now I share with others how they can achieve the same. So if you see this and you find yourself curious to want to learn more about how to create wealth in a way that works for you, make sure to book me in for a discovery call. My name's Stephen Devlin, and I'm looking forward to chatting with you.